Welcome back, Office Executives. In this particular Excel problem set scenario, we'll be discussing on the topic of using the aggregate function. So what is the need of using aggregate function? So we have this set of values. If we apply filter in here, so the shortcut to which is Control Shift L, or you can just go to the Home tab and then click on this shorten filter and select this option, as it is being already being highlighted that the shortcut to this button is Control Shift L. So let me use the shortcut Control Shift L, Control Shift L. Fine. So now if we just select the zone, out of all the zones I'll be selecting only the west zone and then click OK. Now if I apply here equal to a simple sum option and select these two values, then the value which will be Excel will be populating will be an erroneous value, since there are hidden rows. So as we can just already guess by adding up these two number, 5 plus 3 8 and 6 plus 7, so 13. So the answer which is Excel is populating is not proper. So now comes the problem set scenario of using the aggregate function. Now aggregate function works over a set of values, and it aggregate function works over aggregate values. So aggregate function works over aggregate values which are average, count, max, mean. So I'll be doing operation of sum. So I'll be selecting this operation sum, tab, comma. So here is the option which is it is showing ignore hidden rows, error values, nested subtotal and aggregate functions. So ignore hidden rows. I need to select this particular option, tab, comma. So now as I have already selected the sum option, the sum will be over these two values. Then hit enter. It is showing 138. Now the answer is coming properly. Now let me just clear this filter from zone, then again apply over maybe south, uncheck the select all option and select south and then hit OK. Now if I use equal to sum, let's see if Excel is populating properly or not. 91 and 71, it's showing 558. So 1 plus 1 2, again the answer which Excel is populating, it is considering the values which are being hidden, that is I have applied filter, so there are records in between those two values. So again we need to, whenever in Excel problem set scenarios, in there are rows in consideration which are hidden, we cannot use the sum operation just like by dragging the way I did a few minutes earlier. You need to apply aggregate function and then sum it up and then use it with the sum operation. So we'll be again using aggregate, and we are concerned about sum. You can use other options as well, like there are average as well. So average is in the number 1. So I am concerned about doing the sum operation, so I will be using sum and then hit tab, comma, and I will be using this particular 3 after clicking on, after just scrolling the cursor keys and selecting this option, ignore hidden rows, error values, nested subtotal and aggregate function. I'll be hitting tab, then comma, then the summation would be over these two values. I'll be checking, I'll be just clicking and dragging these two values and then hit enter, 162. So if I just take this particular 9171 in the formula bar, it is showing sum 162. The value which is Excel is populating is now proper. So now before ending the video, the summation of this particular video is, let me uncheck the filter option, clear filter from zone. So whenever we are concerned about doing the summation or sum operation over a range of cell in which some data in which some rows are being hidden, we cannot use sum as it is just like that equal to sum and dragging those two values. We need to do the aggregate function. Aggregate function means sum, max, mean, average, minimum, all those aggregate function we need to just put inside, nest it inside another function known by the name of equal to aggregate. That's all for this particular Excel video. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you all, guys, and happy coding.